Wan Bridge Group is a leading Texas-based developer and operator of build-to-rent or BTR communities. We adhere to a corporate culture that values trust, innovation, competition, and sharing. We continuously strive to build corporate values of honesty, respect, professionalism, and diligence. Our mission is to provide residents with better housing options, investors with a higher return on investment, and employees with a platform to realize their worth and dreams. Wan Bridge Group was founded in Dallas in 2013 and officially entered the Chinese market with its Beijing office opened in 2017. The company now has offices in Houston, Dallas, Austin, Vancouver, Beijing, Shanghai, Nanjing, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. Wan Bridge has more than 20 BTR communities across Texas, 14 of which are in operation. The company manages a total of 3,000 homes and has more than 15,000 lots in the land bank. By the end of 2022, the company's assets under management exceeded $1.1 billion, and it has distributed more than $50 million of rental income on time. In 2021, Wan Bridge entered into a multi-billion-dollar equity commitment from a well-capitalized, investment-grade U.S. institution, laying a solid foundation for the company's fast and steady development. Wan Bridge has made extraordinary achievements in the build-to-rent industry after 10 years of dedicated work. According to statistics of John Burns, a leading professional real estate consulting firm, by the end of 2022, Wan Bridge Group ranked number 1 in Texas and number 4 across the nation in the number of build-to-rent communities. Wan Bridge Group operates in 4 sectors: land development, property design and development, property management, and asset management, completely integrating land development, vertical construction, lease management, and property management. While in the traditional real estate development process, these functions are usually performed by separate entities, Wan Bridge Group has developed in-house capability across all these functions. The vertical integration business model has given the company an advantage to effectively control costs and development cycles. What Wan Bridge Group pursues extends well beyond the one-time transaction with investors, but a long-term partnership. By improving customer satisfaction and operational efficiency, we hope to achieve overall improvement in operational and management capabilities, satisfy our residents and investors, and expand the scale of assets under management. We will be committed to managing and serving the communities, achieving win-win results for residents, investors, our employees, and the Wan Bridge platform. For the next decade, Wan Bridge will cultivate and enhance the company's core competencies, including corporate management, product upgrades, resident services, and investor partnerships. In terms of company management, Wan Bridge has invested heavily in developing our proprietary in-house WBS management system, the first ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, dedicated to the build-to-rent industry, which integrates all aspects of real estate development, improves efficiency, and saves costs. The WBS system leverages cutting-edge information technology to integrate data from multiple banks and third-party sources. This system enables Wan Bridge's employees and suppliers to make accurate decisions quickly and respond to changes in market conditions more effectively. By streamlining workflows and reducing costs, the WBS system helps enhance the company's competitiveness and profitability. In terms of products, Wan Bridge has been recognized as a leader in BTR housing for its designs, winning several awards in 2021 and 2022, and is currently designing the Option L upgrades, which introduce more luxurious bathroom decorations, kitchen upgrades, and smart home systems. As for resident services, Wan Bridge has introduced a new wellness housing program, providing not only high-quality homes for residents, but a healthy living environment that contributes to their physical and mental well-being and their children's development. Adhering to the customer-first principle, Wan Bridge provides investors with one-stop service systems, including contract interpretation, offshore bank account setup consulting, mortgage loan application consulting, property management lookup systems, project progress reports, property closings, tax declaration consulting, rent distribution, and business trip coordination. To better serve investors, Wan Bridge has developed WBM, the realistic metaverse platform, and Web3 realistic ecosystem. The company has used technological innovation to advance the brand, improve investor services, and provide a more vivid and convenient way to visualize property management. WBM aims to enrich community activities, increase asset liquidity, and verify titles in a safer way. These improvements are expected to increase the value of assets and bring more returns to investors. The single-family rentals or SFR, build-to-rent or BTR industry originated from the subprime mortgage crisis in 2008. During the pandemic, the demand for SFRs, BTRs increased as people needed places to quarantine or study from home. The acceptance of remote and hybrid working by the public has also increased the demand for SFRs, BTRs. Institutional investors have increased their investment in this asset class, committing a total of $60 billion capital investment during the pandemic. However, individual investors still hold the majority share of the SFR BTR market, and institutions only hold about 5% of the market. Compared with the fact that institutional investors hold 55% of the multifamily market, the SFR BTR sector still has great potential for growth. While Wan Bridge has established a strong presence in North America and mainland China, we will actively explore global markets such as Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, Thailand, Singapore, and Mexico. With a focus on the SFR BTR industry, Wan Bridge will also provide investors with a number of new investment opportunities, such as realistic funds, metaverse, and Web3, to achieve greater diversity and flexibility of the investment.